everyone, you're watching EVA News. Let us check out the news for the academic year 2024 to 25. This is Dhriti of grade 10. Let's check out the June recap, a month of impact, growth and innovation. EVA organized an effective orientation program that was a perfect blend of warmth and guidance, welcoming students with enthusiasm by setting the stage for a promising journey, offering insights into the school's vision and values on 10th May 2024. EVA addressed Environment Day on 5th June 2024, emphasizing the environmental issues on pollution, climate change and deforestation. Quiz, poster making and tree plantation drives were conducted on segregation, conservation and recycling to educate sustainable practices. EVA is playing a significant role in shaping the students to develop essential skills such as leadership, communication, problem solving, teamwork and responsibility. The Student Cabinet Union was on 8th June 2024 began with solemn prayer. The highlight of the event was the official pinning of badges and sashes to the elected members. EVA had organized World Blood Donors Day on 14th June 2024. Students participated in poster making quiz which tested their knowledge of health. We instilled awareness among students and an impactful way to life-saving initiatives. EVA encouraged the students to spread the message, donate blood and save lives. Showcased yoga poses with a collective meditation session. Students shared insights about the role of yoga in maintaining a balanced lifestyle. That's a wrap for June. Over to the month of July.
This is Sri Skanda of grade 10. Let us reflect upon July milestones, a month of growth and achievements. The program on 1st July 2024 aimed to honor the contributions of doctors and healthcare professionals. Students presented a thoughtful skit. Essays themed around the doctors added vibrancy to the celebration. EVA encouraged the students to acknowledge and appreciate the doctors. Young Scouts and Guides of EVA participated actively and learned many life-saving initiatives in the State Patrol event held on 21st July 2024. Guru Purnima, which was celebrated on 22nd July 2024, began with the lighting of ceremonial lamp. Heartfelt speech by our chairperson Srimati Chitrakala Nagraj ma'am was given. Students expressed their gratitudes through songs, poems, dances. It reinforced the value of mentors in our lives. Let us reflect upon August Insights, a month of impact and patriotism. A thrilling battle of brains in EVA was held on 10th August 2024, which featured multiple rounds including history, general knowledge, spell bee and rapid fire, keeping the contestants engaged in the quiz competition. The students of EVA made it a very memorable event for everyone involved. EVA celebrated the 78th Independence Day on 15th August 2024 with great patriotic zeal. It began with the hoisting of the national flag, followed by the march past with band team of EVA. The students presented a series of cultural performances including patriotic songs, dances and skits depicting the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. EVA Scouts and Guides saplings were honored with their scarves and badges on August 22nd, 2024.
I am Saiprithan D of grade 9. Now into September and October. Teachers' Day was celebrated with gratitude at EVA, honoring the contribution of teachers. The event, organized by students, expressed their appreciation through cultural performances and games. Teachers were presented with handmade cards as a gift as a token of appreciation. Onam was observed on 13 September, bringing together to enjoy spirit of unity and cultural diversity. Teachers dressed in Onam attire, adding festive atmosphere. The highlight of the event was Rangoli, adding festivity to the event. The students and staff of EVA gathered on 12 September 2024 to celebrate joyous occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, marking Carnival of Lord Ganesha. The festivities began with a grand puja. The school campus was decorated beautifully with vibrant rangoli design, flowers. The idol of Lord Ganesha was placed in school hall where the teachers performed aarti, prayers and offered prasada. Moving on to the annual sports meet which took place in EVA on 13th September 2024. It is a vital event in any educational institution promoting physical education, teamwork and sportsmanship. students marched with their respective group and participated in the games with the spirit of winning. Paying tribute to the father of the nation, 2nd October marked the 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi in Eva.
This is Samriddhi of grade 9. Let's take a little sneak peek of November and December month. Kannada Rajyotsava, also known as Karnataka Formation Day, was celebrated in Eva in 9th November 2024. This day promotes the Kannada language, literature, encouraging people to learn, speak and appreciate Kannada. The students of Eva involved themselves passionately in making the monuments, explaining the importance of each district and showcasing the cultural importance of Kannada. Eva marks special celebration for children on November 14, 2024. The day was filled with joy, fun and excitement as teachers come together to celebrate. The teachers thrilled the students with dance, skit and songs to entertain the children. The students in colorful attire left that day with happy memories. The Founders Cup Trophy is a prestigious award that holds significant importance in various contexts. The trophy is for honoring our CM Nagraj sir's legacy. The students participated in events and won many prizes along with the runner-up cup. Christmas celebration in school is always a festival and joyful occasion. Our infants of Eva clearly enjoyed the experiences and participated in every event. The children found themselves drawn into the events surrounding the birth of Jesus. The singing of carols was fantastic. The students dressed themselves as Santa Claus and distributed small gifts and sweets.
Now let's take a glimpse at Eva's excellence. Over 244 students participated in the SF Olympiads 2024-25. Over 210 students actively participated in the Whiz International Spell Bee and the Handwriting Wizards. 75 students cleared the state level and 4 students cleared the national level. Eva actively participated in the national level letter writing competition and are eagerly waiting for the results for all of these competitions. Eva showcased with exceptional talent and skills at the prestigious Deccan Herald competitions in various categories of music and craft, dance, art, spell bee, creative writing and quiz. As an outstanding success, we won by securing the second prize in music competition. Vishveshwaraya Technological Museum conducted a quiz competition for high school students, where Eva set a benchmark among 150 schools. Srinivata and Arna of grade 10th cleared all the rounds till semi-finals. Achievements in the field of sports. Karnataka Sports Fest 2024-25 took place on 20th August 2024. Around 18 events were held, out of which Eva had secured 16 medals out of that. Taekwondo national level winners, badminton champions, martial art champions, skating champions, abacus national level champions, cricket under 14 and under 16 champions, CBSE Kho-Kho tournament champions, district level singing champions too. Teams participated enthusiastically and gave their best. Bharat Scouts and Guides advanced. Scouts won the second prize and Guides won the first prize in district level singing competition. Eva has always left its footprints in each and every stream. That's all for now. A few minutes or an annual day is not enough to measure the Eva's achievements. Every single day is filled with mesmerizing tasks. Stay tuned with us through our website www.evaschool.in. For further details, check out our Instagram @EastWest Academy Rajajinagar or our YouTube channel East West Academy Rajajinagar. Be a part of Eva to experience and explore. It's me, Arna Chatterjee, signing off.